Today we are going to practice the art of origami, which is the art of paper folding. So all you'll need for this activity is just a piece of paper and your hand. The first thing we're going to do is we want to make a perfect square out of our piece of paper. So we're going to fold it over so you'll get a little triangle with this little flap hanging out. We're going to fold along this line back and forth until it's able to be torn off because we need perfect square. I'm going to tear it and do the best you can. If it's not perfect, it's really going to be fine. So now we have our triangle. So now we're going to fold that triangle over into another triangle. So then it kind of looks like a smaller triangle. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to take this corner and put it over here to make an even smaller triangle. So now you're going to fold it back out to this triangle. We're going to take this corner and fold it in to, see, this is the part that gets a little tricky. We're going to fold it in to the side so it becomes a diamond. So you kind of have to finagle it a little bit of a paper wrestling, but you guys can do it. So again, we're going to take this section right here and fold it up and in. The inside kind of looks like this. That's how you know you did it right, is if the inside looks like that, and if the outside now looks like a perfect diamond. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the top bit right here, just of the one side, and fold it over so you can see these little guys all by themselves. You're going to take it and put it about a quarter of the way down to the bottom, maybe a little bit more, and I'll show you once I make my fold. So you're going to put the point on the line on the middle crease, make sure that follows that, so everything turns out even, and then you're going to take the side and pull it over again like that. So you got a triangle, and then you fold this part over, and it kind of looks like a sailboat, which is pretty nifty. Then you're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. So then the next part you want to do is you're going to fold these parts into each other. So so now we got the blank diamonds on the other side. Gonna fold it, and then we're gonna take this part and fold it in like this, and do the same with the other side, fold it in like this. So fold those parts into the middle so it's lining up with the crease in the middle. We're gonna flip it over and do the same. So now both sides look like this, which is awesome. That's what you want it to look like. And then you're going to take this little bit right here and fold it into this spot so it fits perfectly. So now you can see that I folded this down and it fits among those angles, and you're going to do the same on the other side. And now you're going to take this part, you're going to fold it over. So you'll feel that it won't let you go past a certain point. And then you're going to do that again. And then my most favorite part is revealing the box. So now you've got your box. Now you put your fingers in the middle right here and you open it up. And you flatten it out. And boom, you've got a tiny little box that you can put all your tiny little things in, like tape. Here's my little box, and I hope you enjoyed making your little box too.